In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files from projects in Claude AI. If your workspace is getting cluttered or you uploaded the wrong document, tidying up is quick once you know exactly where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly and add a few helpful tips so you can delete the right file with confidence. First, open your Claude account. Use whichever way you normally access Claude, on your computer, in a browser, or through the app. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace so you're looking at the projects and files you actually want to manage. Taking a second to confirm you're in the right place can save headaches later. Next, click Projects. This takes you to the central hub where all your projects live. If you work with multiple teams or experiments, you may see several projects listed. Think of the projects area as a folder shelf. Each project holds its own files, conversations, and artifacts. Now click on the specific project that contains the file you want to remove. Open it up and head to the section where your files are shown. You'll see a list of uploaded documents, images, or other assets associated with that project. Before you delete anything, pause and double-check the file name and any details you rely on. If there are similarly named versions, confirm you've selected the correct one. When you've identified the file, locate the small V-shaped button next to it. Simply click that V button to remove and delete the file from the project. If a confirmation prompt appears, review it and proceed only if you're absolutely sure. This action is meant to be decisive, so once you approve it, the file will be removed from the project's file list. In most cases, the view updates right away, and you'll see the file disappear, confirming the deletion worked. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If the file is important for reference or documentation, consider saving a local copy before you remove it from the project. Also, if other collaborators rely on that file for active prompts or workflows, let them know it's being deleted to avoid any confusion. And if you don't immediately see the change after deleting, a quick refresh of the project view can help everything sync up visually. That's all there is to it. Open your Claude account, go to Projects, select the right project, and click the V button next to the file to remove and delete it. With these steps, you can keep your projects clean, organized, and easy to navigate.